Hey there, I'm Jamie. Welcome to another installment of another new truck. Welcome to the A6000J, Waimea's new jetting truck. Take a moment, I'll show you around. Like all of Waimea's trucks, in the cab we can turn on our work lights, our beacons and our PTO. On this build we've installed all of our hydraulic equipment in one accessible cabinet with a small 40 litre hydraulic tank. The truck has a 6,000 litre UV stabilised tank with anti-surge balls from bottom to top to make highway driving more stable. And here, the heart of the build, our hose reel, powered by a Prattisoli MW45. We have 180 metres of 1-inch jetting hose, 60 metres of half-inch jetting hose, all powered hydraulically, and a manual layering arm, and an easy to move 180 degree turntable for access to all of your job sites. A jetting truck wouldn't be complete without an array of nozzles. So this truck comes standard with an array of 1-inch and half-inch jetting nozzles, including the world-class Warthog root cutter. Our control software here is integrated with the best Bosch technology. We can control every aspect of the vehicle from this manual screen, or we can use a remote control so we can focus on the job. We can fill the vehicle very quickly to 6,000 litre capacity with this 3-inch fill point. There's loads of storage throughout the vehicle, including this large walk-in cabinet for all your safety equipment, wet weather gear and tools. Here on the curbside we have external storage for your tiger tail to keep that jetting hose in the best condition possible. At all times the operator screen allows you to cycle between service functions and working functions. At all times you can see flow, pressure, engine RPM, engine temperature and the remaining amount of water you have in your 6,000 litre tank. We couldn't be happier with the A6000J and we know you will be too. So get in touch with your specialist vehicle consultant, Masker Lewis, for all your culvert, stormwater and drain clearing and maintenance and flood prevention jobs.